Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be discussing the importance of preparing for earthquakes. Earthquakes can strike at any time, and it's crucial to be prepared to minimize the risk of harm to you and your family. Let's learn how to prepare for earthquakes. Creating a survival kit. The first step in preparing for earthquakes is to create a survival kit. A survival kit should include essential items such as food, water, first aid supplies, a flashlight, and a radio. It's also important to include any prescription medications and important documents in your survival kit. Securing your home. Another important step in preparing for earthquakes is to secure your home. You can secure your home by securing large furniture items, such as bookcases and televisions, to the wall. It's also important to install seismic straps on water heaters and gas appliances to prevent them from tipping over. Practicing safety drills. Finally, it's essential to practice safety drills with your family. Teach your family members how to identify safe places in each room, such as under a desk or table, and how to evacuate your home safely. It's also important to practice earthquake drills regularly to ensure that everyone knows what to do in the event of an earthquake. That's it for today's video on preparing for earthquakes. I hope you now have a better understanding of the steps you can take to prepare for earthquakes. Don't wait until it's too late, start preparing today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.